welcome back to Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch saved videos on YouTube. Now we will save one video to watch it later or save it to our playlist. At the right side, we can see three dot icon. We have to tap over there. Now there you can see save to playlist option. We have to simply tap over there. Now either you can make a new playlist or add it to watch later. For this video, we will simply go for watch later. Now go to your YouTube profile page. Now there you can see the option playlist. Simply tap over there. You can now see the video that we had saved up earlier. Now you can simply click on the video and you can see the video that you have saved on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.